Hi, I'm Tim, the Physical Disability Australia Director for Tasmania. Today I'm going to take you through and show you how I go out in my car when I'm going out to see people or shopping or whatever I'm going to do, and I take my wheelchair with me. Come along and I'll show you the wheelchair pod. First off, I go to the car, open the driver's door, use my steering wheel to pull myself out of the chair in, keeping hold of the chair. Then I take the cushion off the chair, put that in the passenger seat. Then I take the back off the chair because my chair is a hard back. If you're soft back you can leave it on, but just lift it up like that and it comes off. Then I turn the chair around, pull up on the centre of the chair like that, and inside my car I have this remote control that I just bring out, press the out button on the pod, which brings it out sideways. Then this steel plate comes down, then this steel bar comes down, then you grab the steel bar, and on my car, because of the roof racks that I have, my pod is a little bit further back than normal, but usually it's up near the driver's door. Then you press the in button and your wheelchair goes up. Then the pod will tip and close, and your wheelchair goes in. And that's how you set up if you're going out. When you get wherever you're going, all you have to do is do the opposite, press the out button, and your pod will open again. And bring your wheelchair down. What I like to do is grab hold of the foot pedal hole, because I don't use the foot plates. And then I pull the chair towards me. Then I can pull the steel bar out and drop it back. Then all I do is press the in button again. And then the pod goes back in. Then all you do is put the remote control back into your car, press down on the wheelchair and it opens up, spin it back around, grab the back of your chair, clip one side in first, then you pull it and clip the other side in, lock your clips, then you grab your seat cushion, put that on, and you're ready to go. Thank you.